Meaning of goddess.
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 Goddess. Goddess typically refers to a female deity, a supernatural being who was worshipped and revered in various religions and mythologies throughout history. She is often associated with divine feminine qualities such as beauty, wisdom, love, fertility, and creativity. In modern times, the term goddess has also been used to describe a woman who is admired for her exceptional qualities or achievements, particularly in areas such as art, music, literature, or sports. Overall, the concept of goddess represents the idealized embodiment of feminine power and grace that has influenced cultures around the world for centuries.